how to invite people to a Discord server. If you want to invite people to a Discord server, it needs to be your own server. So first, open up the Discord app. Then from the left-hand side, simply navigate to your server. So let's say this is a server where you would like to invite your people. Here you can say invite your friends link. If you don't find this also, no problem at all. On the top left, you can see your server name. Just open that drop down menu and here you can say invite people. Just go to invite people link and here you can see this little send a server invite link to a friend. Now by default, this link is going to expire in 7 days. So after 7 days, whoever clicks this link, it will not be able to receive the invitation. You have to look at this bottom that says your invite link expires, edit invite link. So click on edit and here select no limit. And after that expire after, set this to never. So once you've generated this new link, now you can copy it and now you can send this to the people that want to join your server and they'll be able to join accordingly. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.